Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the metal butt plug from the EasyToys anal collection. So let's get started. So this is the metal butt plug itself. Easily fits into the palm of your hand there. And this is shown here in the size small, but it's also available in medium and large as well, and various other colours as well. So this stunning polished aluminium anal plug features a beautiful large crystal just at the base of the plug just there, giving it a very luxurious look. It's formed with a tapered tip, smooth bulbous body and slender neck, so inserting and wearing your toy is simple and easy. The pointy tip helps for easy insertion and removal as well. The aluminium is temperature responsive, which means it's cold to the touch but will easily heat up to the perfect temperature. You can also heat or cool it in warm water or in the fridge for extra sensations. Now, when using this anal plug, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the plug after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the metal butt plug by the EasyToys anal collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.